Hi, welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. My love for basil pesto knows no limit. If you've ever tasted pesto in Italy, you will immediately taste the freshness of the ingredients unlike store-bought pestos around the world. Pesto sauce originates in Italy, so of course, it's a splendid choice with pasta. Let's get started! Among the fresh herbs, do you know that basil is king? The name comes from the Greek basileus, which means king or emperor, and is an apt title for such a fragrant and delicious herb. To make this classic minute-made basil pesto recipe, you will need fresh basil leaves. Make sure discard the thicker stems. Next, let's add the pine nuts. I lightly toasted the pine nuts to bring out the flavor. Then, let's add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese, followed by the lemon juice. In addition, let's add mashed garlic. After placing all these ingredients into the bowl of a food processor, then pulse several times. After 5 seconds of pulsing the processor food, let's scrape down the sides of the food processor. Moving on, let's add the olive oil and season with freshly ground black pepper. Then pulse several times more, 5 to 7 seconds. Salt to taste. No need for expensive store-bought pesto anymore. Homemade basil pesto is so easy to make. And it's ready! There are many ways to make good food. It doesn't only involve using the freshness and finest ingredients, but also preparing it the right way. You want to make sure that the food you eat or you serve to your loved ones is fresh, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. This pasta with basil pesto sauce is basically the definition of comfort food. Easy, creamy, and cheesy, those three words are good for the soul. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. A very happy meal. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.